Hello guys, welcome to another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox the new action camera versus 4K Ultra HD. The company name is Pluto Plus Pro 4. Okay, so let's check in the box. So you can check it's 4K Ultra HD. The resolution is 4K and the company it's a Pro 4, and I will tell you what are the specifications which we are getting in this camera. As you can check, it's 4K Ultra HD, and with the screen it is showing it's 2-inch screen. With the video format they have given is h.264, and with 20 megapixel shooter as well as 170-degree wide angles. I will just open the box and I will just show you what are the things which they have put inside in this box, and I will give you the details, and I will let you know the price detail about this Pro 4 action camera. I brought this camera around it's 6,800 in the mid of like range of 7,000. You can check the box. It's come with 3.5 mm for external recording, so it's good for with this range you're getting external recordings. And you can check the user manual also they have given you, and with this mounting tabs also. And let's check without the camera, and this is the actual camera how it is looks. And you can check it's a logo given there, it's Pro 4. The company is Pluto Plus action camera exactly. And you can use this camera for ultra HD recording, 4K 2K, whatever you want. Okay, let's open the box, the mounting parts. And in this box they have given the mounting parts for the bike mount, and depends upon the bicycle mount, whatever you want you can do this mounting mounts. Yeah, this is the stickers which they have given to you, and there are a lot of the things, mounting points it has been given to you. So guys, these are all the things they have given. And the best thing is this, you can use this camera for motor vlogging, and the camera viewing angle of this Pro 4 is very good. Let's talk about the battery life. Okay, they have mentioned that the battery life, if your recording time is 4K, and it's about 150 minutes, and charging time it's like about, they have mentioned it's 2 hours. So I think it's good. In this we're getting a battery life, it's very good as compared to other action cameras. And the good thing is that you're getting an extra 3.5 mm jack for audio recording. If you want you can do it by using external mic. Okay, and all the things is very good. So guys, I hope you will like this video, and if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment to my comment section. I will follow up. Okay guys, thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.